I know I'm really bad at hair, but I'm going to show you guys this anyway. I'm starting off with some overnight braids. For the first one, we are going to do some braids. Let me just bring you guys up. So we're going to start off, I'm going to leave some hair out. You're going to grab a strand of hair. I used to do this like every day for freshman year, but then I stopped because I don't know why. So you're just going to braid it. I'm just doing like a normal braid. And make sure when you're braiding it that it's like you're braiding it to the sides, because like when you braid it like in the front, it's gonna look weird when you bring it back, or we're gonna pin it in the back later on, so it's gonna look kind of weird, and I'm kind of doing it right now. It looks messy now, but later on we're just gonna pin it up like that. Yeah, so doing the same thing to the other side, and try to grab like similar amounts of like hair so it's not an uneven braid. But I usually braid it around till maybe around 3/4. I'm taking both of those little side braid things, taking a clip, those prong clips almost. I don't know what they're called, but they're kind of mini ones, and I think you can get these at the dollar store too. So I'm going to try to line them, and I'm also going to leave them a little loose so it's not like restricting my head or anything like that. Oh my gosh, my dog's going crazy. If you pull out your hair from like the sides, it'd look better, but ready for the next, what's it called again? For the next hairstyle look? What are they called again? I can't think of any words right now. I'm going to show you some tips on how to have nicer like ponytails. What I like to use for ponytails are scrunchies, because they add a lot more volume to the hair rather than like normal like elastic ponytails. What I like to do first is just grab all my hair and then put it into a ponytail like that. Okay, now that I put my hair in a ponytail, looks so what I like to do is pull out hair at certain spots. So I'll pull some from right here, I don't know what this is called, but pull some out here. I'll just do this little twirly thing, and I'll pull out from in front of the ear, so like from right here. Some pieces might be long, but that's fine. And I also like to do like right behind the ear. Okay, so I'll pull out hair from here. Then lastly, I'll pull out hair from the very like back of the neckline. We're gonna do a down ponytail. I'm gonna use this ponytail. It's like, they're like cherries. I had this since I was a kid, so I'm not sure where I got it from. Gather all my hair and I'll put it in a low ponytail, but you have to make sure it's like loose almost, so it's not like tight like that. And I'm gonna use just like a normal like elastic. So we're only gonna use the elastic one because this ponytail isn't very strong, so if you have a stronger ponytail you can kind of just skip that. I'm gonna grab one loop out of the two and then do the same for this one. It's a low ponytail, but like it makes it look more like sophisticated almost. Okay, so what you're gonna do is put your hair into a low ponytail.
Learn about the world and the universe. I can answer and
why?
How hot is the sun?
Someone's listening to me. I don't want one. We're gonna go from the middle of the ponytail, so from the top and the bottom, we're just gonna split that in half almost, and then you're just gonna flip this over. And then there you go. You just basically invert it inside. I just pulled out some hair from the front so it's not like kind of bare. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below, and you know, all the cool stuff. So bye guys.